Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. All right, so let's begin with the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Shorts from showing up in your YouTube feed. So as you can see, I'm on the subscription tab here, and we can see this little Shorts section right here, along with all these shorts on the screen. First and foremost, you want to go to your profile on the bottom right. Then you want to go to the top right where you see the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, scroll down to the General section and keep scrolling until you see where it says Playback in Feeds. What you want to do is turn this off. This will disable the autoplay feature in your feed. Then, head all the way back to your subscription tab. Now, under the Shorts section, you want to go to the little three-dot menu on the top right of Shorts. Go ahead and click on that, then tap on where it says Hide. You're going to need to do this for each one of these shorts. So just go through each one, click hide on all of them. This might take you a little bit of time. There are about 10 or 15 of them. After removing all, if you will go through your subscription feed, you should no longer see the shorts section. So that's basically how you can disable YouTube Shorts. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.